You think you're prepared for a hurricane? Let's double check that checklist to be sure. First up, water. You need at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Next, non-perishable food. Enough for 3 days too. Don't forget a manual can opener. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio and a flashlight are must-haves. And of course, extra batteries. Keep a first aid kit handy and stock up on medications for at least 7 days. Personal hygiene items and moist towelettes, garbage bags, and plastic ties for sanitation are crucial. Your cell phone with chargers and a backup battery should be on the list. Important documents, extra cash, and emergency contact information are non-negotiable. A multi-purpose tool, a map of the area, and emergency blankets can be lifesavers. Pack extra clothing, sturdy shoes, and rain gear. A whistle to signal for help, duct tape, masks, and hand sanitizer are essentials. Don't forget pet supplies, baby supplies, sleeping bags, or blankets. Customize this checklist to fit your family's needs. Please like and subscribe to Good Morning St. Croix. Also, check the description box for a hurricane preparedness checklist you can download and print. Stay safe and be hurricane ready.